In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Canva 2026 Full Guide. Designing high-quality marketing assets, proposals, or content calendars shouldn't feel like a second job. If you've been juggling copy-paste between tabs and fixing layout shifts by hand, this guide will change your workflow. In 2026, you can bring advanced ChatGPT reasoning directly into your Canva projects. I'll show you how to connect your accounts, pull the exact data your templates expect, generate full presentations with a single brief, and audit layouts before you hit export. Let's dive in. First, authenticate the official Canva connector so your tools actually talk to each other. Open your browser, sign into your ChatGPT workspace, and head to the integrations area. Search for the verified Canva Creator connector, select Connect Account, and complete the OAuth prompt. Approve the requested scope so content, templates, and metadata can sync securely without sharing private passwords. Use the verified connector and a work profile with the right permissions. When you see confirmation, your design assets and AI prompts are ready to sync. Next, scan your brand templates to understand what data they need. Inside your integrated chat window, switch the model to thinking mode for deeper analysis. Then ask ChatGPT to scan your connected Canva repository, locate your template titled 2026 Q2 Performance Report template, and extract the full dataset schema. You'll get a clear list of required text variables, metric rows, and dynamic image fields. This gives you a blueprint of every slot your design expects, so you can map content precisely and avoid guesswork. With that schema in hand, autofill your branded designs from structured data. Paste your raw research or metrics into the chat and instruct ChatGPT to convert it into a data block that matches the template variables exactly. Write concise on-brand text for each slot and trigger the native builder to place everything in the correct regions. Keep your numbers final and your preferred tone clear. If any field names don't align, adjust the variable labels and regenerate for a perfect snap-in fit. When building a new presentation from scratch, provide a comprehensive slide plan brief. Request a deck titled AI Automation Framework 2026. Define the narrative arc from hook to problem to insight to call to action, and ask for numbered slides, tight titles, specific visualization recommendations, and complete speaker notes for each page. Adding audience, brand voice, and timing details helps ChatGPT shape a polished, coherent flow in one pass. Before publishing, run an inline layout audit. Review the preview thumbnails, check alignment and spacing, then ask ChatGPT to enforce header length limits, remove filler, and verify brand rhythm. Once it confirms, commit changes to your master Canva workspace. You're now ready to export, share, or schedule. Handing off tedious mapping and structural planning to ChatGPT lets you focus on creativity and clarity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the